Welcome to Phone Transformer. Today, we're diving into a handy feature on Google Maps, finding mile markers. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. To start, open Google Maps on your device. Once you've got the map open, search for your desired location. Maybe you're planning a road trip or just curious about distances. After the search results pop up, tap on the map type option. This is where you can switch between different views. Now, select default to see the standard map view and street view under the map details. This will give you a more immersive experience as if you're right there on the ground. Next, tap on the map and follow the line representing the road you're interested in. As you navigate along, keep an eye out for the mile markers. They're usually indicated by small icons or markers along the route. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.